We are here at MS Nagar, discovering you to a newly opened eatery, Cafe Coco. What outstands this cafe is that a young and brilliant entrepreneur, a student himself at Ramaya College, is pouring down all his ideas in managing this cafe. Introducing to you all, Abhiray Adhikari. Hello, Abhiray.
Hi.
How's your business going on?
Yeah, it's going good.
Tell me about this place.
Actually, I started this place from 17th of February 2021. Our place is situated right next to Ramai College Kitambari. You just have to follow the street name in front of Kitambari, and then you can find it on your left. Okay, so this place is open from 11:30 in the morning till 10:30 at night. So we serve nearly 4 cuisines. So I suggest everyone whoever watching this video to just come down and visit my place. Thank you.
Thank you, that's great.
Hello, today we have owner of Cafe Coco, Abhyuday Adhikari.
Hi.
Hello, congratulations on your new cafe.
Thank you so
Just
much.
the fact, Abhyuday Adhikari is a student from our own department of humanities from Ramaya College. How does it feel that finally your dreams have been true of opening a cafe?
Yeah, it seems good because there was many more there were so many obstacles in between, but then I came across all those, and right now, yeah, fine. Finally, I became a owner of a cafe. Feels good.
That's nice, that's nice. Can you tell us what got you interested to venture into this culinary business of yours?
No, all of a sudden I just got an idea to open a restaurant. Then yeah, I had plans to open a restaurant, but every like say I want to be a businessman in the future. So maybe all the businessmen have an idea and interest to open a cafe or a restaurant. So maybe similar thought even I had, just like any other person. So in that way, I just plan to open a restaurant.
That's really nice. So, was this your dream or passion all along to open a cafe?
Not really. My passion was to be a cricketer, and but then I came and ended up here.
What happened to that passion of yours?
Because of COVID, 1 year I couldn't practice, and then my age came up. Like I'm 21 right now.
So you decided you're old enough to start a cafe.
Not exactly, but then the main thing was my age was almost done. I was 21, and after that, playing for a nation won't be possible for me. So I thought to come up with this restaurant. Yeah.
So coming back to your cafe,
Yeah.
so your cafe has an interesting sweet name called Cafe Coco.
Yeah.
Can you tell us why?
Actually,
That's
the
so?
Cafe Coco Coco is my pet name, so I denoted the cafe on behalf of him.
That's really sweet. Now I think this will get you more customers and everything.
Hopefully,
now.
I
Like
really
dog lovers are gonna just storm the place.
fine. I'm all happy with that.
That's
Actually, we had a plan to make it pets friendly, but then if other customer might have any problem with that, so that's why we're not doing it right now. If we have a bigger place than this, I'll definitely do that.
That's nice. See, you're a cafe owner while you're studying in Ramaya College.
Yeah.
So how do you manage both of them together?
Right now, I'm not having any issues related to this attendance or anything, but then I don't know what will happen in the next semester. But if there is anything, I hope my teachers will support me in that way.
So now that you opened your cafe, what were the challenges you faced? Like it can be anything from deciding what the menu should be.
Basic difficulty everyone will face while doing any startup will be a finance. Let it be whatever startup you have. Until and unless you don't have enough funds, you just cannot bring your dreams true. So in that case, I had shortage of money a bit, and then that's why I had to go with a co-partner. Otherwise, I wouldn't have kept any co-partners. Just because I was running short of money, I tried, taking a finance help from one other person.
Okay. So coming to the financial problems that you faced,
Yeah.
and given the time that you have opened this cafe,
Okay.
after a pandemic, do you think the situation has impacted your business a bit?
Actually, to be honest, we did it so in such a hurry because we thought कि once students comes up and then it will be very difficult for us to get a space because many people right now, they are not in a hurry to take a space, because everyone knows that students aren't here, so they won't have a business in this moment of time. So that's everyone are delaying, so everyone are waiting that students come, after that they will do. But then I took that opportunity as a good side of mine, and I have taken a space and started up.
So utilize the little moment what you got during
Yes,
the
yes,
pandemic
exactly, yeah.
to your positives.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a good tactic to put into use. So, coming to your cafe, what are the specials in your cafe?
See, nearly we serve 4 to 5 cuisines. So you won't see any restaurant or a cafe which will serve so many cuisines, because if you go to a cafe, they will have a particular food. For example, they will have coffee, they will have pastries, everything. But then we are a kind of a hub where you can find North Indian food, Chinese, Mughlai, whatever. Even like, so in total we have some more than 4 cuisines. So in that way, I think our cafe is little special, because at one at one spot you can find many things. So that might be a special thing. Apart from that, we are very budget friendly. So if you see our menu, we start up with 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 6 rupees, even 6 rupees. If you come to us, we serve a full ka at rupees 6.
So, do you think you kept the budget quite friendly because you yourself are a student?
Yeah, see, I myself a student, so I know what kind of a problem student face. So what menu we have is something with very less margin for us. So we are looking into the turnover more than into having short business and more profit. We are not looking into that. We are seeing for the turnover more, and looking into students, we are taking care of the budget as well, so that nobody should face any kind of a problem. Everyone can just come and visit us. Yeah.
So, I personally myself have tried cuisines at your cafe,
Yeah.
and I have one questions which I think even will help the viewers.
Okay.
It is that when will there be online services?
Might be after a month, maybe, because like we are trying very hard to get it done as soon as possible, but then it is not in our hands. It is Swiggy and Zomato and other brands who gonna take care of it. So we are ready to serve by today itself if they are ready to take us. So that is like, I called up Zomato to list my shop in Zomato, and then after seeing my name, restaurant name, that Cafe Coco, they were asking me that if it is a proper cafe. So I told, like, in what sense you are asking me that? So he told that if it is a cafe, so I should serve nearly 7 different kinds of coffee.
7.
Yeah, minimum 7 kinds of coffee I need to serve. If I do that, then yeah, that means a cafe. And unless and until I do not serve 7 different kinds of coffee, I cannot name my not name in the sense like it cannot be a proper cafe. It can be called as
Like
restaurant.
terminology cannot be right.
Yeah, exactly.
So, what are your opening hours? What are your rush hours?
See, rush hours mainly starts during lunch and dinner. That's the like from, you can consider 1 o'clock to 3 in the afternoon, and 8 to 10 in the evening. Yeah, those will be the rush hours where I can expect more clients to be there in my restaurant.
Uh-huh. And what are your opening hours? Like
We are open from 11:30 to 11 at night.
11:30, like
Yeah.
almost 12 hours.
12 hours.
So, what are the specials in your cafe?
See, the entire menu what we have kept, we have sorted out all the fine items which can be possible to make in our cafe. See, we have 2 cooks, so we decided how to make the menu in the sense like whatever they are good at. It's not that, for example, if you can find Mughlai chicken somewhere other, so it's not like we have to keep that in the menu. So what we thought, what is good at, what the cook is good at. So we kept that particular thing in the menu. So we have nearly 100 items in the menu, and I personally feel all the 100 items are amazing to have.
She
So
suggests.
the entire menu is special.
So I need to separate out a whole day to try out your
Yeah,
cafe.
you can do, or else you can do every day. You can come and try every single dish.
Smart move. So I like to end this on asking one thing. What do you have to say to the viewers about your cafe?
See, I would suggest everyone to come and have a look at my cafe. So it's very budget friendly, don't worry. So, and then I will try to give some complimentary drinks if possible from my end. to all my friends and juniors and all the teachers too. So yeah, so it will be very kind for you, for me, if every one of you just come and visit me once. Thank you.
So are you gonna give teachers the smoothies free in exchange for internals?
Not exactly though.
But you do have that plan.
No, not really, because teachers already told me not to give them any complimentary things.
Basically, they don't want to give you marks.
No, I don't know about that. We have to confirm with the HOD for that.
Do you want to?
Not really, not needed right now.
Cool. Thank you, Abhiday, and congratulations on your new cafe.
Thank you
I
so
hope
much.
it flourishes and we get something out of it.
Sure, anytime.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, so right now I'm with Hania Mizar, who is a regular customer here. And how's the place?
Honestly, the first time I visited this place, I was really curious to know how the food tasted because it was also from Abhyuday, who actually invited us and everything. So, the first thing I took here was a chicken platter thing, and it was really tasty. It was really good, and I was actually recommended to take that. So I thought that I should eat more and I should recommend it to someone else. It was really good. I liked it.
Food here really scrumptious and beyond delicious. So I'm a big fan of coffees, and Abhyuday's Cafe makes the most delicious cold coffees. It's been, especially these days, like it's really tiring, college and everything, and you come and drink cold coffees here. It's just amazing. He makes the best Oreo shakes, and he has the best food. Like I've had gobi here, I've had biryani here, I've had fries. He's just amazing. The food here is scrumptious, delicious, beyond anything you would ever expect from a cafe. So Abhyuday's Cafe is my most favorite cafe. The chicken that is done here is really amazing. My favorite is actually crispy chicken. It's so crunchy and so tangy at the same time. It's amazing to come to my friend's cafe and have an amazing experience here.
So I've been coming to Cafe Coco for 2 to 3 weeks now, and first of all, it's so near to my college. I don't have to think of any other place. It's so cost efficient, and the quality of food that you get is just amazing. And not to mention the taste of the food. I personally like that crispy chicken. Yeah, it's the best thing I like over here, and it's just like as the name says, it's a chicken recipe which is actually like crunchy, and it's just so heartwarming. And then we have the Kit Kat milkshake, which I really like. Uh, Pretty much everything that I've eaten here is good, and I would definitely recommend to anybody because of these three reasons. First, it's cheap. First, the cost, and second, the quality, and third, it's so near to the college. And I believe all we students want is a place where we can fill our stomachs without spending too much. So I believe this place is just like the gold mine for it. And way to go, Cafe Coco. I love this place, and I believe I'm gonna be a customer of this place for a long time.